What's the meaning of blonde? Blonde. Blonde.
Blonde. Blonde. Blonde is a term used to describe a hair color that is light yellow or pale gold in appearance. The word originated from the French language and has been used to describe hair color for centuries. In addition to hair color, blonde can also refer to a person with fair skin and light-colored eyes. The term is often associated with stereotypical attributes, such as being attractive, fun-loving, and carefree. However, it is important to note that these stereotypes are not representative of all individuals with blonde hair. Ultimately, the meaning of blonde is subjective and can vary based on personal experiences and cultural contexts.